How to create account American Express. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create an American Express account step by step. Whether you're a new cardholder or just setting up your online access, it's a quick and easy process. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to AmericanExpress.com. You'll see the homepage with options to log in or create an account. Look for the Create Account or Register link. You'll usually find it right next to the Login button. Click on that and it will take you to the registration page. You'll need your American Express card handy because they'll ask for some card details to verify you're a cardholder. Enter your card number, the expiration date, and the security code from the back of your card. Next, they'll ask you to verify your personal information. Make sure your name and address match what's on file with American Express. Now it's time to create your login credentials. Choose a username and a strong password. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. You'll also need to set up a few security questions. Pick questions that only you would know the answer to. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions, then click Submit or Create Account. And that's it. Your account is now created. You can log in anytime to view your statements, make payments, check your rewards balance, and manage your card settings. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.